From the beginning of the creation, the relation between human and nature has been inseparable. As their source of heat, they have experienced sunlight. They quenched their thirst with the crystal clear water drops. These are the purest forms of energies. From sources pure like these comes natural medicine, the blessing of nature. For human race, medicinal plants are the part of the very nature the people are born in, having little to no side effect on the human body compared to chemical-based medicines. Long before the emergence of conventional chemical-based medicine system, only nature-found plants were used to treat the patients in ancient Arab and Indian civilization. The South Asian region has seen the rise of natural medicine in Mughal reign by the effort and exploration of Muslim scholars and physicians. Since then, it has been a part of leading a healthy life. Scholar physicians used local herbs like Sansevieria trifasciata to treat ringworm and fungal diseases, Madagascar periwinkles for diabetes, cancer and sore throat, cycas for the treatment of cancer and hepatoma, and many more herbs to cure numerous diseases across the continent. Hakim Abdul Majid, Hakim Ajmal Khan, Hakim Muhammad Saeed, Hakim Abdul Hamid are the pioneers who paved the way for practicing natural medicine in this subcontinent. They modernized the medicine system for the benefit of humankind. The IBN SINA Pharmaceuticals Limited, one of the biggest pharmaceuticals company, is going back to the purest form of medicine using medicinal plants and mineral components, and has established a world-class factory to produce international quality natural medicine for the mass people of Bangladesh.
Nature itself is a blessing to human being. Mankind depends on natural sources for food and nutrients. After successful footsteps in pharmaceutical sector, the IBN SINA Pharmaceutical Industry Limited extended its view towards natural medicines and established a state-of-the-art
The sachet area is equipped with fully automated machineries. Finished goods are kept in the several areas by maintaining proper temperature and humidity as per SOP. As of today, most of the world population is getting their primary health care from natural medicine and living a healthy life by using only natural elements to cure disease. IBN SINA Pharmaceuticals Limited has vowed to the world to bring good health for mass in forthcoming days.